What's up, you guys? Welcome to Jiniga Biz. So you guys, if you're interested in forex trading in Nigeria, you need to watch this video. Okay, I know a lot of you have reached out to me after I did my last video about forex trading in Nigeria, making money via forex, that please, do you have any platform, do you have anything that we can trade? And I'm here for you guys. Okay, so I want to introduce you guys to the Mtrading platform. It's a forex brokerage firm that is also involved in cryptocurrencies as well as commodities. And the beautiful thing about this platform is that you don't need to go for any 3 months training to go and be learning how to trade forex. You don't have to disturb yourself with all of that. And that's what we're going to be looking at in this video, because I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can get started on the platform, all the things that you need to know about the platform, how easy, I mean easy it is to start making money with forex here in Nigeria. Okay, so you guys, this is what you see when you click on the link in the description box to the Mtrading platform. So if you are thinking about how to start trading forex in Nigeria as a beginner with no experience, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to be walking you through the platform, and so you can see how easy it is for you to use the platform. So there's a link in the description box, please click it. So this is the Mtrading platform, and you can see they say follow pros, copy their trades, and get in profit. You don't need to have any prior idea about trading forex. All you need to do is to watch this video and just know how to navigate your way in this website. So Mtrading has this fantastic feature called CopyTrading, and we're going to get into that in a bit, where you can join a global community of dedicated professional traders ready to share their experience as well as their revenue. So what you want to do is to sign up and create an account. So you have to open an account. So when you are doing that, you fill in your name, your email address, your phone number, and register. It's very simple. So after you have registered, I have registered, so I'm just going to log into my account. And yeah, so when you log into, after you've opened your account, this is what you are going to see. So you need to verify your email. So go to your email and click on the link sent by Mtrading in order to verify that that's actually your account. Okay. And once you sign up on the platform, they give you a support account manager, so you can ask your account manager any questions about the features, about how to use the platform. So when you on the platform, you have your dashboard, you have accounts, you have a drop down for transactions, special offers, social trading, and your profile. So for your profile, you need to input your personal information, your name, last name, and all of that. You also need to provide certain documents for compliance related issues like know your customers. They are just legal procedures that government requires from finance company, something called AML, anti-money laundering, because in doing forex doesn't mean that you are doing yahoo. Forex is actually a very legitimate way of doing business, okay? But government regulates these activities, so you need to provide those information. So you need to provide your identity verification, and you have to upload documents, a quality photograph, both sides of your document. The document usually is your passport or a passport photograph, as well as your means of identification, which could either be your international passport, your national identity number, or a driver's license. Those are identification documents that are generally accepted. So don't go and put your work ID card. Those ones are not accepted. Okay, so yeah, that's about documents. Then you have, this is under your subscription. Then you have your under your personal profile, then you have the things that you are subscribed to. there are different things that you could subscribe to, okay, and preferences, whether you prefer English language, what time zone, USD, and all of that. So that's the first, that's about my profile. Then let's go to transactions. The transactions you can deposit, because for you to begin to trade on this platform, you need to deposit some money in order to trade. And in order to make deposits, you can either make use of their bank. You can pay with into a GT bank account, okay, or you pay via internet banking, Neteller, Skrill, Perfect Money, or Tether. So for Nigerians, I think the GT bank and the Tether option, which is USDT crypto, is more like it for us. So you can see that they have their bank account with GT and also their company name. So this should give you some sort of comfort to know that this is a legitimate company. They are registered, they have a registered business, okay, and they have a bank account. So yeah, in case for anyone who is doubting whether it is legitimate or not. So without wasting your time, I want us to open a copy trading account. I want to show you how to open a copy trading account, because that's what they're really pushing in Nigeria, because it just makes it very easy. I've seen people lose money from trying to do forex when you have absolutely no idea on what you are doing, even after you've gone for trainings and all of that. But with copy trading, you just copy a trade of a professional trader and you get your what's it called, your profits, okay, but you have to pay like a tiny fee in order to do that. So for us to register or for the copy trading accounts, you go to social trading. You can see something called social trading under this wallet. You see a wallet icon, click on it. So we're going to click on the wallet icon. So it says you need an account to take part in copy trade. So I'm going to create an account, a live account. So you can see that I'm just going to blur out my personal details, my name, my last name, and it says live trading account, because there's also a demo account. So I'm just going to put in my password, input my password, and as well as confirm it, and I'll come back to show you what the live copy trading thing looks like, okay. Even though we're not going to be doing that today, I'm just showing you around and how to navigate your way, okay. So after I have signed in for my copy trade account, this is what is showing me that I have a live account as well as a demo account. So with demo account, you can practice. There's like there's dummy money inside there that you can practice, okay. And yeah, so with a live account, you need to deposit. That's not what this video is about anyway. We're going to do a dedicated video showing you about how to copy trade. And actually, as I'm copy trading, you're going to be watching me and all of that. I just wanted to show you guys around, like I said, on the Mtrading platform. But you can see that it's very easy to start trading in forex in Nigeria if you are making use of the Mtrading platform. So with the live account, you obviously need to deposit some form of investment that you are let me not use the word investment, let me use the word capital that you are going to be using to trade. And like I said, you can deposit with your GT account or your Tether, your USDT. You could do a bank wire or transfer via cryptocurrency. So yeah, this is where we're going to end this particular video. Do subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to this channel, because we're going to be doing an in-depth copy trading. Like that video is going to be how to do copy trading, how to trade in forex with absolutely no experience, okay. Absolutely no experience. You don't need to know anything about copy trading or forex trading and all of that. You just need to sign up on the Mtrading platform. So check the link in the description box, okay, and you can sign up create your account, familiarize yourself. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section so that we could learn through this together. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share this video. Share, somebody may need this information and it will help somebody who's trying to make money online, in Nigeria. This is a very legitimate way to earn some money online. Not some money, like a lot of money, once you get a hang of what it is that you are doing and just improve yourself. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.